Good morning. So what was I up to yesterday? Well, I got my solar system set up for my shop. It's not a very big system, and it's not a very big shop, but basically, it'll work good for me. My name's Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. So this system here, I bought from Canadian Tire. I've got 350 watt panels, and I've got 270 watt panels. These were originally set up to be in the house on a 2000 watt inverter, but it didn't give me the power I wanted. So then I ended up getting the other system that's out back going for the house with a 6000 watt inverter. So I'm using this system now for my shop. So let's take a look, see what I've done. I'm running an extension cord into the shop right now because I haven't connected the wires to my inverter, and so I wanted to see how much my fridge in the house would drain my batteries. So just curious, so I did that last night. So here's what we got in here. What I've got hooked up right now is I've got 4 105 amp deep cycle batteries, 12 volt. I've got a 5th one I haven't hooked up, and I got a 6th one in the house running a 12 volt system right now that will be coming out here. So I'm going to have basically 605 amp 12 volt batteries. Going up to my inverter, I've actually got a 3000 watt inverter in here now. And I've got this running right now. The only thing I'm feeding is apartment size refrigerator in the house, which will be coming out here. And we will be hooking up our full size refrigerator shortly, once our kitchen is finished being renovated. So I plugged this in last night at the end of the day, just to see how it goes. At the time, my batteries were at 12.4 volts when I did it. I had the refrigerator running all night, and the batteries are still at 12.4 volts. I'm running them with 150 amp Midnight Classic charge controller. So there you have it. I'm going to be using this to run my shop. So once my panels are hooked up, this thing here should bounce up to like 14.5, I would think, about 14.5. And I can pretty much run any small tool I want in here, including a refrigerator if I wanted to. So yeah, I think that'll work. Like I say, I don't need a big system, but I've got a fairly good system for my shop. It's just a small shop. And then down the road, if I get myself a boat, I can just pop a battery out now and then and zip out in the lake. So there you have it. Thank you for visiting my channel.